Thank you for joining us tonight at 10. I'm Brooklyn Andrews. While it isn't considered a widespread issue in south central Wisconsin, ghost guns are becoming more prevalent nationwide because of easy access to parts found online. As our Shayna Najawan reports, a Supreme Court ruling yesterday upholds a Biden administration regulation aimed at keeping these untraceable weapons out of more hands. Shayna?
Brooklyn, the 7-2 decision confirms existing laws apply to kits sold online that can be used to assemble a ghost gun. These kits have been increasingly linked to crimes, and advocates for gun violence prevention say the regulations in place are crucial to public safety.
But our biggest case was Paradigm, the active shooter, in 2018.
The city of Middleton police first encountered a ghost gun 7 years ago.
He was considered what we call Chapter 51 for mental health.
Detective Lieutenant Darren Zimmerman was there when an employee at the software company opened fire on his coworkers.
So he could not have a gun legally, and he obviously purchased the parts and put it together himself.
Zimmerman fully supports the Supreme Court's decision to uphold regulations on the untraceable guns, which he says can hinder an investigation.
They don't have a serial number on them. These people can buy parts off the internet or wherever they get them and essentially assemble this gun on their own.
Very closely following the case as it was going through the different courts.
Associate Executive Director of WAVE, the Wisconsin anti-violence effort, Nick Mataszewski, also applauds the ruling.
Very common sense measures that the gun lobby has pushed back on for years. So it's really a relief to see the court side the way they did.
But he says there's still more to be done to prevent gun violence in Wisconsin.
Things like implementing a universal background check, which is widely popular and something that gun owners and non-gun owners, Democrats and Republicans, just about everyone agrees we should have universal background checks.
It's a good thing. We don't want guns floating around that we don't know anything about or we can't track.
Were hurt in that 2018 shooting, but all employees fortunately survived. The suspect was killed in a shootout. Live in the studio, Shayna Najawan, WMTV 15 News.
Shayna, thank you. 4 officers received Hometown Hero Awards from the State Assembly in honor of their bravery that day.